They like those Maui chips, Francolins, and the Mynas. Those are like quail. And those are very smart little birds right there that talk. Well, you can teach them to talk. Just got back from the beach. And now it's time to step into the cold shower, because it is a warm day on Maui. Aloha.
Okay. All the pictures.
It's nice that they all get along, these birds. There they go.
They're hanging out at their beach. This is their lanai.
And one last Francolin right there.
Right?
Yep.
Huh.
They do remind me of the quail up on Salt Spring Island.
Cool pic of you. Come see this.
Okay, cool. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. Aloha from Maui.
Yes.
What?
There.
There he goes. 10, 10, 11.